Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a jRL professional, Lamborghini. Okay, comes like this, Yeah, nothing really special. Okay, this is the box. Okay. This time I got a black one, jRL Diamante professional hair clipper and trimmer. To the specs, it's written got a brushless motor, okay, which is good. 2.5 hours charging time, fast charging, 5 hours for reset IQ charging. Operating time up to 4 hours, brushless motor. Got 2 speeds, 6,500 RPMs for the first speed. The second speed, 8,200 RPMs, which is not bad. For the hair trimmer, that was the clipper, and for the hair trimmer, it's also a brushless motor. It's written here: 2 hours for the fast charging and 3 hours for the reset IQ charging. And operating time up to 2 hours. Okay, the trimmer got just one speed, 8,200 RPMs. So now let's open it up and see what they got for us inside. Yeah. Inside comes like this. Okay. What else? The 2 manuals. The cables are not here. Comes with oil, screwdriver, and the blade setter. Okay. And also for the hair clipper, blade setter. I guess reset, something like that. Comes with some guide combs. As usual, they got the same guards. Okay, not really special inside. So now let's put it all back. As usual, comes with a charging dock, 2 charging docks. Second one, this is for the clipper, and the button right here. Okay, this is the hair clipper. It's a little bit heavy, yeah. And this is the blade. Comes with a, I guess, ceramic cutter blade. You can see, and clicking lever, maybe 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks. Okay, it's smooth. Okay, it's really smooth. And the range, the power button, and the grooves. Okay, no USB-C, just the normal charging port. Okay, that is symbol of Lamborghini. And indicator. So now for speed, as you can hear, second speed. Okay, this hair clipper is 2 weeks old. To the hair trimmer. This is the hair trimmer. No USB-C. The back, also these grooves that I like. And the blade. Yeah. Yeah. That's it for the unboxing of this jRL Diamante. So, peace, man. All right.